Meow. Lesson 20. Professor Whiskers here with another essential lesson. You learned days of the week in Lesson 18. Today we learned something bigger. Months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months. 1 year. Why do you need months? For everything. When is your birthday? When are you traveling? When is your appointment? When does school start? When is the holiday? You need months to talk about time, to make plans, to remember dates. Today we learn all 12 months, how to pronounce them, how to use them, how to talk about dates and seasons. By the end of this lesson, you can say when things happen. You can plan events. You can understand calendars. Let us learn the 12 months. First, let us learn all 12 months in order. Listen carefully. Some are tricky to pronounce. The 12 months of the year. Let us say all 12 together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Again, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good. You know all 12 months. Some months are difficult to pronounce. Let us practice the tricky ones. February. This is the hardest month to say. Even native speakers struggle. 2 common pronunciations, February or February. Both are correct. Many people just say February, 3 syllables instead of 4. Do not worry about perfect pronunciation. As long as people understand, you are good. Wednesday and February. These are the 2 hardest words in beginner English. Both have silent letters and strange pronunciations. April. Make sure you say the A sound clearly. April, not April. July. The stress is on the second part, July, like you lie, but together. August, not August. It is August, like the word gust of wind. October, November, December. These 3 all end in ber. O to ber. November, December. Notice they all have similar endings. This makes them easier to remember together. Practice the difficult ones again. February, April, July, August, October, November, December. Important grammar point. When you talk about a month, use the word in, pattern, in plus month, in January, in February, in March, not just January. Say in January. Examples. My birthday is in May. I am traveling in July. School starts in September. Christmas is in December. The meeting is in March. She's arriving in June. Questions with when. When is your birthday? It is in June. When are you traveling? I am traveling in July. When does school start? It starts in September. When is the meeting? It is in March. See the pattern in plus the month. Months are connected to seasons. Let us learn which months go with which season. Note, seasons are different in different parts of the world. Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere have opposite seasons. I will describe Northern Hemisphere seasons, that is North America, Europe, northern parts of Asia. Spring. Spring is March, April, and May. Weather gets warmer, flowers bloom, trees get leaves, rain is common. Spring is renewal, new beginnings, nature wakes up. Summer. Summer is June, July, and August. Hot weather, long days, short nights, beach season, vacation time, school holiday. Summer is the warmest season, perfect for outdoor activities. Fall or autumn. Fall is September, October, and November. Also called autumn, same meaning. Weather gets cooler, leaves change colors, red, orange, yellow, brown. Beautiful season. Fall is harvest time. Back to school time. Cozy season. Winter. Winter is December, January, and February. Cold weather, short days, long nights, snow in many places. Christmas and New Year. Winter is the coldest season. Time for warm clothes and hot drinks. Practice sentences with seasons. It is spring in April. Summer is hot in July. Fall begins in September. Winter is cold in January. I like spring because it is in May. She prefers summer because of June and July. One of the most common uses of months is talking about birthdays, birthday sentences. When is your birthday? My birthday is in March. I was born in September. She was born in December. His birthday is in June. Their birthdays are in April. Practice the conversation. Person A. When is your birthday? Person B. My birthday is in October. When is yours? Person A. Mine is in May. Person B. Oh, spring birthday. Nice. Asking about other people's birthdays. When is your mother's birthday? It is in August. When is your father's birthday? It is in January. When is your friend's birthday? It is in July. Important note. In English we say, my birthday is in May. Not my birthday is May. Always use is in. Cats do not usually celebrate birthdays. We celebrate all 9 lives equally, but we understand the concept. Months are important for holidays and events. Let us practice some common ones. Major holidays. New Year for Western countries is in January, January 1st. Valentine's Day is in February, February 14th. Easter changes every year, usually in March or April. Independence Day in USA is in July, July 4th. Halloween is in October, October 31st. Thanksgiving in USA is in November, 4th Thursday. Christmas is in December, December 25th. School and work events. School starts in September in many countries in the Northern Hemisphere. Summer vacation begins in June. New school year begins in January in some countries in the Southern Hemisphere. Exams are usually in May or June. Practice sentences. Christmas is in December. My vacation is in August. The conference is in March. School ends in June. The festival is in October. Months have short forms, abbreviations, useful for writing dates. The three-letter abbreviations: January, JAN, February, FEB, March, MAR, April, APR, May. Less days the same. It is already short. June, JUN, July, JUL, August, AUG, September, SEP or SEPT, October, OCT, November, NOV, December, DEC. These are useful for writing dates. JAN 5, January 5th, MAR 21, March 21st, JUL 4, July 4th, DEC 25, December 25th. You will see these abbreviations on calendars, forms, tickets, schedules. Important note: always capitalize months. January, not January. Even the abbreviations. JAN, not Janny. Months are always capital letters in English. When you say specific dates, you use ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth. Pattern: month plus ordinal number. January 1st, January 1st. February 2nd, February 2nd. March 3rd, March 3rd. April 4th, April 4th. May 5th, May 5th. Or you can say the plus ordinal plus of plus month, the 1st of January, the 2nd of February, the 3rd of March, the 4th of April. Both ways are correct. Practice some dates. My birthday is March 15th. Or, my birthday is the 15th of March. The meeting is June 23rd. Or, the meeting is the 23rd of June. Christmas is December 25th. Or, Christmas is the 25th of December. Note: we will learn ordinal numbers fully in a future lesson. For now, just know that dates use them. Homework time. Task 1. Say all 12 months in order 5 times today, out loud. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This helps you memorize the order. Task 2. Write down the birthdays of 5 people you know. Use full sentences. Example: my mother's birthday is in June. My father's birthday is in November. My sister's birthday is in April. My friend's birthday is in August. My birthday is in March. Task 3. In the comments, tell us 2 things: your favorite month and what month it is right now. Examples: my favorite month is December. Right now it is November. Or, my favorite month is December. Right now it is January. Share your months in English. In Lesson 21, you review everything from Part 2, Lessons 8 through 20. And as pronouns, verb to be, question words, demonstratives, adjectives, colors, food, places, days, numbers, and months. We will practice combining all of this vocabulary, making complete sentences, having conversations. But today you learn the 12 months of the year. These 12 words open up so much communication. Now you can talk about birthdays, holidays, vacations, appointments, seasons, plans. When someone asks, "Hey, when is your birthday?" you can answer, "When is your trip?" You can answer, "When does school start?" You can answer. Practice saying the months in order. Make it automatic. Every morning, say the month. Today is November. This helps you remember. When you see a calendar, read the months in English. See you tomorrow for our big part 2 review. Meow.